Hello, this is Krysdavar, and today I'm going to be opening a mega box of 2021 Panini Prizm baseball cards. Come read at you, mega box. Each box contains 8 packs plus 1 bonus 12 card pack and 1 autograph on average. Let's see what's in this bad boy. All right. Let's see here. How do you open it? I'll open it up here in that crease right there. Let's do not damage anything that may or may not be in there. Okay. Let's get right into this 2021 Panini Prizm. Man, that came off pretty tough. Oh no, here's all the things. Holy moly. All the things. I don't know if you can read that, but there you go. All right. Pause or something, I guess. Ooh, who do you collect? All right. Whole bunch of packs. Lots of packs. Empty box, empty box. Empty boxes is empty. All right. Boom. Okay. So, I'm going to do this pack first. How about that? The bonus 12 pack. Let's grip and rip. Boom. Ooh, these are the parallels. Here we go. Ketel Marte. Mercedes. Wow. Mitchell White. And Ronald Acuna Jr. Wow, check it out. Ooh, nice. One of those cathedral inserts. Holy moly, let me see this. All right, so we got Teal Wave, Carolina Blue, and Cosmic Haze. Oh, I always like the Cosmic Haze. That's coming up next. I guess that was the Carolina Blue. Carolina Blue. All right. And then this is the Cosmic Wave. Yep. Let's see. Francisco Lindor, Blake Snell, Braxton Garrett, and Pedro Martinez. Okay. Now the teal. Braylon Marquez, Larry Walker. Wow, these are be shine. Nelson Cruz and Juan Soto. The shine on those parallels. All right, let's get into the box. Still have an autograph to pull. So let's get that autograph. See what's in here. By petrified packs. Holy moly. Whee! I always love it when they open like that because you got to be really careful so you don't bend the corner trying to get it out and stuff and get it all jammed up. All right. You don't know what I'm talking about, do you? I don't know. All right. Max Scherzer, Evan White. Man. Brandon Bilac. And then Cespedes, Emergent. Yoki. Man. I could pronounce things too. Not really. All right. Okay. Green parallel. Paul Goldschmidt. Mitchell White. Oh, there's another cathedral. Aaron Judge. Nice. Or whatever they're called. That's what it looks like. Cathedral insert. The green parallel of Jose Ramirez. It's not numbers, it's just one of those green retail parallels, I guess, because this is a retail product. I'll put that with the parallel pile. All right. Lots of parallels in this stuff, as for sure. Actually, I'm going to put this separate from the main pack. There we go. All right. Man, Justin Turner. Eloy. Vladdy Jr., and Stargazing insert of Mookie Betts. All right. Next pack. These packs aren't opening very well. Man, it's almost like they're old or something, or were stored in a, I don't know, a dry place or something before I got them. Oh, there's something good back there. Pray up. Insert this pretty cool. All right, Pujols, Pache, rookie card, Juan Soto. And, ooh, that's cool. Dominic Smith, Sluggers. Check it out. That's a pretty cool insert. See, you can do stuff. How about that? Pretty cool insert. All right. All right. So, Joey Bart, Will Crow. Oh, that looks like the autograph. So, championship stage, Justin Turner. Do a Joey Bart again. Will Crow. All right. Flip this stuff. And it is Yordan Yamamoto. Okay. Debut signatures. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I'm going to have to try to figure something out because, I hit the wrong button and accidentally stopped it, and I don't know. It's going to be such a short video, like an 8-minute video total, and I don't know if I want to splice it together, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this video. Maybe I'll just, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. Could just do the rest of this box old school like I used to, I guess. Let's see here. I used to open my first, like, for a while, first quite a few videos. Whenever I open stuff, I didn't call out the names because I've never pronounced any MLB player names besides, like, players from my own team and stuff at the time. So that's why I did that. Plus, I didn't watch too much baseball at the time because it was I don't know, one of those in-between times. I go through phases. Like, sometimes I watch a lot of baseball and other times I don't. I've been watching a lot of baseball the past couple years. Here's a pretty cool insert there. Man, that really stinks. I don't know how to splice a video together anymore, or it takes too long to splice a video together. It's just ridiculous. You have to learn how to do that. Oh, there's a refractor flat slash. Oh, look, Aaron Judge. Refractor or prism. I guess I will sleeve that one up. So, quick recap. Here are the inserts of the Mega Box. Really cool Sluggers insert. I like that. And it was an Aaron Judge box. Too bad I didn't get an autograph of him. That would have been really cool. Just got that. And then, oh, look. So I have got the Lumber ink and the Cathedral and Prism, Silver Prism. Definitely a Aaron Judge box. I got two green parallels, whatever, Prism parallels, and then here are the goodie pack. Lots of goodies in here. And there's the Ronald Acuna Cathedral. It's pretty nice. All right. And then of course, the autograph was Jordan or Jordan Yamamoto, however you want to pronounce it. Jordan or Jordan. I guess since he's not American, it'd be Jordan. Stomach burning. So there you go. Not numbered or anything. Thanks for watching my 2021 Panini Prizm Mega Box break. See you later. See you later.